So Jason asks, and a number of people have asked, can I put a tracker on a car? It depends. Here's the thing. Rules and laws for putting trackers on vehicles vary by state. Every state has their own rules regarding what's legal and what's not. Generally accepted is if you own the vehicle and it's in your name, you can put a tracker on it to see where it's going. Example, a business owner has a fleet of 15 trucks out in the field and he wants to know where they are at any given point in the day. That is totally legal. The business owner owns the trucks, owns vehicles, they're allowed to track those assets. I think that would extend to a personal car. If you want to know where your personal car is, you own it, it's in your name, put a tracker on it, that's totally fine. The rub comes in when people try to get creative with how to install a tracker. So say you've got a husband and an ex-wife, and the ex-wife's car is in the husband's name still. Some would argue, well, he's got every right to put a tracker on that car. Does he use the car? Does he have access to it? Is it in the process of being transferred to her name? Those are things you need to think about. If he doesn't own the vehicle and he puts a tracker on her car, there are a lot of cases where that would be strictly not okay. Example, there's a case in Texas, very recent case, where a private investigator installed a tracker on a husband's ex-wife's car. It was still in the husband's name. That private investigator was found guilty of illegally installing a tracking device. That private investigator is currently spending 70 days in county lockup. I know it seems like a really handy tool to attach a GPS to a car. There are some reasonable reasons to do it. I have made the argument over the years, and I'll make it again. If you're a private investigator, if you have a tracker on the car and you say, oh, well, the car went to this restaurant and this hotel, how do you know the person is driving the car? How do you verify the person is in the car? They could have loaned it to a friend. You don't know. But if you're doing physical surveillance and you're on the person and you follow them to the place and you can verify that they're getting out of and getting into the car and going to the hotel and going to the place, that's much better work as a private investigator. So the long story is, well, the short answer is, it really depends. I would say be careful about tracking devices.